everyone and welcome back to our talk show Mulakat. I'm your host Gaganpreet Kaur and today we have special guest amongst us Dr. Dipti Sharma and Mr. Skirat Kaur. As National Science Day is coming, let's have something about them. Good morning ma'am.
Good morning.
Welcome to our talk show.
Thank you.
Ma'am, I would like to start. We all know that you're a very popular mathematics teacher in Gulzar Group of Institutes. And we, all the students and also the passed outs, praise very well for you. They all send very well reviews for you. How you feel that when you feel such appreciation from students?
First of all, I would like to thank all the students, all my students who appreciate my teaching, and they are also in touch with me. The students who are passed out, and we are in touch. They always share whatever they are doing in their life. So I always feel like I feel great that that students still remember me. They remember whatever I taught them, and for the popularity, I can't say that I'm that much popular, but yes, as mathematics was my passion from my childhood. When I was in school, I would always like to study mathematics, and I wanted to inculcate the same things in my students. I don't want the students to think mathematics like a problem. I want them to think it is a problem solving thing. So the same thing I want my students to think about mathematics. That's all. That's my message for my students. And thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to our talk show. So, ma'am, as we all know that you have done doctorate in physics and you are a teacher, mother, a wife, and an inspiration for all of us. Please, ma'am, share some motivational words and how you manage all those things.
Thank you, Gagan. First of all, I would like to congratulate you for starting this talk show, and this is a very good initiative by GMC department. And the question you asked, yes, being a woman, it's very difficult because I'm a mother, I have a family to look after, and then I have a job as well. Sometimes it gets very difficult and very hectic for me, but still I manage these things because maybe I enjoy teaching, and that's what women do. I think women do much more work than a male person do, and that's why we are women. So I'm just enjoying it. So it's my passion, and it's really make me happy. At the end of the day, I'm really happy that I have done good in my family life and as well as in my professional life. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
वेलकम टू द शो मैम। जैसे मैम नेशनल साइंस डे सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है, ठीक है, तो आपको मतलब ये थोड़ा बहुत बताओगे कि क्यों सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है, इसके पीछे का आइडिया क्या है, थोड़ा बहुत आप हमें बताओगे इसके बारे में?
Yes, Anjali, I want to tell you about this National Science Day. Actually, it is not a practice of this year or the last year. It's the ritual of our department. When Dr. Hani Sharma was HOD of our department, he took the initiative and started celebrating this National Science Day. And we are following his practice. The same thing is going on year by year. And this year also, the students are preparing for this, and we are going to celebrate it tomorrow. In this event, students got the chance to showcase their talents. Like they make projects and they do so many fun with sciences. You will get to know about this tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay. So मैम, what is the motivation of the behind this National Science Day celebration? थोड़ा बहुत आप इसके बारे में बताओ।
Sure, Anjali. You know, as we belong to Department of Applied Sciences, and this is a National Science Day, so basically it's our day. So we want to show the talent of our students, and you know, GGI, we are known for project-based learning. So our students have made number of projects to showcase their talent and their skills. And secondly, the main reason behind celebrating the Science Day is because the students came to us after +2. And they are like budding flowers. So it's very important to connect them with the engineering. So we work as a bridge between those students and the other engineering departments. So we are just connecting the students with the engineering and by using the project-based learning approach. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. वेलकम सर। तो जैसे कि हमारे साथ हमारे ईडी जो हैं वो हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, तो आइए हम इनसे थोड़ा बहुत जानेंगे सर के बारे में। सर जैसे कि नेशनल साइंस डे हमारे कॉलेज में सेलिब्रेट किया जा रहा है, तो सर आप उसके बारे में मतलब स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेट करने के लिए, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स ने काफ़ी अच्छी क्रिएटिविटी की है, इतना अच्छा डेकोरेट किया, तो सर आप स्टूडेंट को मोटिवेट करने के लिए एक दो लाइनें स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे सर?
Right. First of all, congratulations to all the students on the occasion of National Science Day. I haven't seen the projects yet, but what it seems from prima facie, a lot of hard work has gone. It is important that students, irrespective of their branch, they link to the concept of science, because science as a concept does not accept a thing as it is. It questions, it goes by the logic. So even if we are students of journalism, even if we are students of commerce, so science has some fundamentals. Hypothesis, 2 plus 2 will always remain 4, right? So even if you are students of different branches, the scientific mind, the scientific thought process always says that you should question and then don't go by what is being said by hearsay, but go by the logic, go by a scientifically proven way of doing things. So I encourage all the students to have a scientific approach to things. That's how the country and the world will progress. Thank you.
थैंक यू सर। एंड सर जैसे कि जो हमारा साइंस है, ठीक है, उसने हमारी इकोनॉमी को काफ़ी डेवलप किया है, तो आपका इसमें मतलब आपका क्या मानना है कि हाँ रियलिटी में जो साइंस ने हमारी इकोनॉमी को डेवलप किया है, सर इसके बारे में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So if you look at the human progress since 17th century, so the first economic boom came after Industrial Revolution. Now we cannot say it happened without scientific thinking or the science behind it. So when the steam engine came into existence, it brought about a revolution wherein goods could be carried at a faster pace, factories could start producing goods. So ever since then, different revolutions that have come. Today we are in the age of knowledge revolution or digital revolution. So definitely it plays a huge impact on the economy, and it can actually be measured, the kind of economic boom scientific progress brings about. Today you are using your mobile phones and these technologies, possibly reaching out to any person in the world. Now people are making money out of YouTube videos, so that's a definite gain out of technology.
थैंक यू सो मच सर।
Thank you. All the best.
थैंक यू।